we go. All right, for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam, we're doing Let's Twist Again by ear using the 1-4-5 in the relative minor in 5 ukulele-friendly keys. And today we are focusing in on the keys of F and G. F, the 1-4-5, is F, B flat, C7. In G, the 1-4-5 is G, C, D7, and the relative minor is an E minor. And the chord that we use to get us from the key of F to the key of G is D7. So here's our tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a couple measures here and sing. Let's twist. Oh, we got to start on F, sorry. Get myself, it's like a sorbet. I got to get myself down to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Do you remember when we were really humming? Let's twist again, twisting time is here. D7, let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Do you remember when we were really humming? Let's twist again, twisting time is here.